we are diving into a penny stock that is quite interesting. This company is actually a app building monster. If this succeeds, then you have a really great multi-bagger opportunity. Now the question, how I found this company. Welcome to this brand new Pennystock vlog. Yes, you heard it right. We are diving into a penny stock that is quite interesting, okay? And the ticker symbol is CLIS, C-L-I-S. And if you want to get all the information with all the data and everything, click the link into the description and below in the comments, because there will be everything summarized quite perfectly for you. So click the link below just to see all the information. But let's start. Why I find this interesting company and want to present it to you. So this company is actually a app building monster. Okay, straight away, this is an unbelievable company that is creating one of the best and coolest apps in terms of learning and socially interacting that I have ever seen. And let's dive into the first app. And the name speaks already for its own. It's called Hey Paul. Cool name, first of all. But if you're looking into this app, it's a very super fast growing language learning app, but with a twist. Okay, you know that many people want to learn, different languages, and there's apps like, for example, Bubble that was a huge success for billions of people. But this app, HeyPal, is actually letting you with social interactive chat and social post learn a language quite easily, okay? If this wouldn't be enough, if this would be not like, this is a very cool concept, right? But there's even more. There's another app, and there we will go into that. This is even covered in the news in the US, is the second app, which is Win Quick, okay? And it's all about trivia. It's for example, you want to have a quiz with your friend or with other people around the internet about Beyoncé and win even money. So this is your app if you are interested into that. I think this is something that we always do, right? Watching a movie or watching one of our favorite superstars and then going through the trivia and learning crazy interesting facts about the superstars. This you can do on a very interesting basis and win money as well. This is the second app, and if this wouldn't be enough, there's even a third app of the same developers out there, guys. And this is Joey's Animal Kingdom. It's an e-learning platform specifically nicely created to offer parents and kids a great alternative to all the other options out there. So those are the three big ads. And not only that, but there's much more to this company. But let's have a look in some data, okay? All of this, apps have fantastic reviews, okay? 4.7 for Win Quick, or 4.6 for HeyPal. And not only that, but the growing of these apps are actually ridiculous. If you're having a look into the numbers, and again, everything is in the link into the description, so check it out for yourself. But the numbers are quite interesting, because not only there's a user growth of about 100,000 app downloads per month for HeyPal, there is an average session on the app, and this is very hard to capture, guys, for clients using your app. 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes that people are spending on the app. So this is quite interesting, and day one retention rate of 45% on compared to the industry standard of only 26 for social apps. So you can see here the huge potential. But let's have a look what the news are actually covering here with CLIS, and also let's have a look what the stock is doing and how the company stands in terms of its metrics.
You guys, congratulations. So excited to have you on. Amber, I'm going to start with you. What is Win Quick?
Nikki, thanks for having us. We're excited to be with you. Win Quick it's a basic concept. It is rapid trivia, and we have 3 different game types. You can play daily games where you just log onto the app and play, you know, yourself and have fun. Or you can also challenge your friends 1 versus 1. So I could send something to you saying, hey, let's challenge each other on Beyonce trivia, which is one of my favorite categories. Or we can play nightly games. And every night it's Pooch or myself hosting a show, and you play against the world for money, and that's really exciting. But the twist on Win Quick, what makes us different, is we're rapid trivia, so you are being timed. We have a timing mechanism, so the fastest in the world, we pay out to about the top 200 people. We put a leaderboard up, and if your name is on that list, you were one of the fastest to get them all right. And then we put money right in your PayPal account, and it's free to download and free to play. So it only takes 7 minutes to play each game live every night. So give it a shot. You can win some money.
Listen, as soon as I heard that we were doing this interview, I downloaded the app. I love the idea of the engagement as someone who has spent time yelling at Jeopardy from her own couch, right?
The stock of Clickstream Corporation, CLIS, it's traded on OTC market, so you need to be somewhere where that would be possible for you. And the unbelievable price of only $4 on last week's last trading day, the stock fall at 11%, which is quite normal for this penny stock to really be volatile. Market cap of around only $3.3 million, so this can really go crazy if there is some good news about the apps or only one of the apps, right? This is the beauty about the penny stocks itself. As you can see, the range of trading here in the last 52 weeks was even up to $60. So this is more like a 10x, like a 12x possibility if it's just hitting the same numbers again. The lowest point that we have seen was $1.22, which is, you know, a fourth of that. So, you know, the risk reward is quite interesting if you're considering all of those numbers. The trading volume is about 1.2 million, 1.3 million shares on average per day. And let's dive further into the conclusion of this video. Yeah, so this was it about Clickstream. I really like the products that they are bringing out, and considering that they have short-term assets of $3.1 million and basically no long-term debt, it's a quite interesting financial standpoint where you can grow, okay? Now the question, how I found this company, obviously this is a sponsored video, and you should always make your own research. These videos are for you to be aware about companies that you might never found, and some of them, you know, or the general idea about penny stocks is, you know, the stocks are just like 3, 4, 5 cents or maybe $1 sometimes. Everything below $1 is actually a penny stock, and that's why those have a huge opportunity with like just the news that, you know, maybe a takeover of an app or an app success or a blow up. This can really bring the stock in the totally different atmosphere. I think that this is the potential, but also on the other side, obviously also the risk of those companies. So make your own research, check out if this app development business is something for you, and let me know in the comments. Again, the link with all the information, with all the data, everything you need to know into the description and the comments below. Oh, and one more thing, I almost forgot that. I feel a little bit like Steve Jobs, you know, one more thing, but there's actually really one more thing that is very important for this company. They have also the platform, the NFT platform, Nifter. And Nifter is a platform where musicians, artists can, you know, trade with and offer their music as NFTs. You know, the mind-blowing opportunities out there are endless. The team is very talented. The branding is fantastic. You know, if this succeed, you know, over the next years, then you have a really great opportunity of a multi-bagger here. So check out the stock, check out the article, and see you tomorrow.